Welcome guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Edifier NeoBuds Pro with your laptop. So the first, just open the case and take a look on this indicator. As you can see, it's on the red and we have to move them to the pairing mode. So we have to click and hold this button right here until this indicator, there will be animation with swiping like on the red side. Yeah, there it is. So right now it's visible to other devices, and the other steps are very simple. We have to just go for the Bluetooth settings. So go for the left side, the Bluetooth and devices. You have to enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher and then click to add device. Select Bluetooth. And right now just pick Edifier NeoBuds Pro. After a few seconds, we will be connected. And there it is. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.